Hello, so this is a very quick video on the very basics of Premiere Pro, which is to make movies, and this is for my class. I'm going to now share the program, and this is what Premiere Pro looks like. So Adobe Premiere Pro, you open that up on your computer, and this is what it will look like. In the future, when you've already made a movie and you're editing it and you're doing it between lesson to lesson, then you'll be doing this open project one. To start off with, we're going to be doing a new project. Now first, and I can't share my desktop screen on this, you guys are going to be making a folder on your desktop. You're going to be calling it movie making movies, whatever you like, and you're going to be saving all your work into there so you can easily find it. You're also going to be filming yourself with our cameras, recording that, and then those little movies we're going to download just like you do with all your photos, and you're going to put them into the folder, into that little movie making folder. So let's start. So new project, we're going to call it something here. We're going to call it Marist Man, and we'll give it a number so we know what it is. I'm going to call it 5 because I've made a few already. And then we have this location. So you click on here, choose location, and you go to your desktop. So here's our desktop, and we've already made a folder in here, all ready to go. And so here's my one called movie making, and we click on that one. And here it is here. I'm going to save it into here. And this is also where we've put our movies already. Okay, so I'm going to save that. And then I am going to create. And we just give it a little bit of time. It's thinking. And so you just have to wait. So what's going to happen is the program's going to open up. It's going to have our little movie maker thing. Here it comes. And so what happens is it will look like this. All right. So don't worry about any of this kind of thing. You just go down to skip, and it'll go down to the normal program. This is what it normally looks like. So what you're going to do is you're going to come down to this window down here. Right, so click on that, so it's the blue line around the outside. That means you're working on this screen, and there's all these different screens, and I'll explain what each one is. You right mouse click, or you can click import media, right mouse click, import, and import is bringing something in. So we're going to import our movies. So here we go. Here's the little folder I made already. And here's my movies that we're putting here, and there is our Marist Man 5 project that we're doing. You can see here I've made some other ones. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to do one by one, that way I don't get lost. So here's my first little movie, and I'm going to open that one. And it's importing it and it's bringing it in here, right? And so we're going to make put all our little bits of our movie together over here. So I'm going to go right mouse click again, import. I'm going to go to the next one, open. It opens, and here's our little movie. So here's one. You can mouse along that when it's blue. You can see what's in it. Same with this one. Mouse along, and you can see what is in it. Now, these are little clips. That's what they're called. They are little clips. And so what we're going to do is we're going to click on this one. I'm going to drag it across over into this one. This is our sequence maker. It's like putting everything together. We'll give it a bit of time. It loads up. Now, how Movie Maker works is this top one is the movie, as in the visuals, what we can see, and this bottom one is the sound. And if there's a problem, come and see me as your teacher, and I'll help you. And we can put, if you've only got one of these things in, it's just because you haven't accidentally clicked over here. And I'll help you with all that. That's fine. So there's our first little one. So we can scroll back up. See, that's the down there, that's the whole thing. We don't want the whole thing. We want our little clips. This is our first clip. I'm going to click on our second clip, and I'm going to drag that across, and it's just like pieces of paper. I'm just going to put it together, and there it is here. So up here is where we can play our movie. Here's the little play button, and this moves along at the bottom here, and you can move that backwards and forwards, but we'll put it right at the start, and then we're going to push play, and you can see the whole rough image. Right, so in that one, you could see me getting up, sitting down, all those kind of things. And we don't want that. We want just what I'm saying. So that's called editing a clip. This is how we edit a clip. We move this thing across till you see me sitting down. Here I am, sitting down. Ta-da! And we want that bit cut out. And we just want me talking. So we're just going to go back just a little bit, just before I start talking. My mouth is actually quiet. There we go. That's perfect. Sweet. So down here is the things we're going to use. This is our pick tool, a selection tool. That's great. This one down here is called the razor tool. So you just mouse over the top of it. It's a razor blade. And so we're going to move over the top of this. We're going to click on there, and there's our razor blade, and it's cut. So then I'm going to go back to our selection tool, our pick tool, and I'm going to click on that. And you can see it's just selecting that part there that I've cut. And so it's the movie part and the audio part, the sound part. And you can see these things over here. There's A for audio, V for visual. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the delete button on my keyboard, and it's gone. And so what happens now, if I played it again, there would be this black bit. We don't want a black bit. So I'm getting the select tool, and I'm grabbing this and I'm moving it across. Boop, and there it is there. And I'm moving this bit across, and there it is there. And so now when we play it, you can see it starts with me sitting down. Now at the end, I get up. We don't want that. We want me sitting down. Here I am here, and I'm going to razor blade it again. Here I am moving over the top of the razor blade. I want that bit there cut. I cut it. And so now I get the select tool. I select this part again. This is me getting up and moving the camera. We don't want that part. So what we're going to do is on my keyboard, hit the delete button again, and it's gone. Back up to the select tool, move this across. I do all of that exactly the same for this. This is me getting, see, there's me sitting down, staying sitting down, and then this is the next clip of me getting up. So we don't want that part. Let's sit down again. There I am there. Razor blade tool, cut. Select tool, select that part so it's all highlighted. See, it's highlighted around. I'm going to hit delete on that one. If it lets me. Not going to let me. Why aren't you letting me? Here we go. I needed to have the blue around the outside. Okay. That means I'm on that screen. Delete. There we go. Select tool, grab it across. Grab it across, move it across. Go to the end where I'm standing up. Let's get me sitting down again. There I am there. Cut. Oh, that's the razor blade tool. Cut it. Select tool. Select the bit I don't want. That's me getting up. And I delete that. And here I am. We're going to go back to the start. And it's just going to be me talking. And you can go up the top here. You see that? That's just me sitting down talking, and I'm not getting up. I've deleted those bits. So at this stage now, I go up and I go and file, save as. Okay, so I'm saving it as something. So I'm going to call it another name. And this will save all our things. So Marisman 6, I'm going to save it as another project in here in my folder. And what's going to happen then is I can come back to it another day and keep editing it. So I'm going to hit save. It's saved there, and so it's all ready to go. It will look like this when I next open it up. Once we've finally done the movie, then we're going to go to File, and then this is slightly different when we export it, and we export it as media, this one up the top here. And then that has a little think. It's MP4, that's a video. We name it our final movie. Final movie. This is right at the end once it's all done, and then we go down here and we export it, and it will go into our folder, all being, you can see it there, exported, and it's all done. But we do that after lots of lessons, after we've edited it all together and done lots of things. There you go. So I'm going to stop sharing, and I will give you more lessons later.